get the business with Meesho. I'm here to represent the company, to meet some sellers in Hyderabad and also to interact with the media. So Hyderabad, we have close to 18,000 sellers in the state, and we serve close to 3.5 crore orders in the state right now. We expect the state to grow with a healthy number. We are expecting 30 to 40% growth year on year pan India, and expect the state to grow in a similar level. Festive sale is coming up. That's where we will expect our sellers to also make a lot more money, lot more revenue. That's a primary focus in the next 2 quarters, to ensure all the sellers in the state are making good business in the festive season. So primarily Meesho now has diversified in all the categories. We have portfolios in fashion, non-fashion, home, kitchen, sports, books, etc. So now we are a much more diversified platform. Each and every portfolio is growing at a healthy 30 to 40% year-on-year growth. And that's what the primary focus is. Right now, we're also investing in a few new categories, which primarily have been underserved on the platform earlier. To give certain examples, furniture is one such category. Similarly, pet supplies, etc. We are expecting to grow them much faster versus the older established categories. So primarily, there are 2 ways we are able to ensure best pricing on the platform. One is 0% commission. So we do not charge any commission on our core transaction from the sellers, versus they have a much higher cost of doing business externally. So this ensures that sellers are able to offer their best pricing on the platform. The second area where we are able to offer pricing goodness is because we have a very asset-light model. So we do not invest, I would say, in our own logistics, for example, and even all the possible areas we have a asset-light model. This ensures that the overall cost of doing business for the seller is much lower, and that goodness is passed on to the supplier in pricing. So these 2 are the biggest initiatives, because of which we have a much pricing goodness. And as I said, we have more than 15% better pricing in 80% of our products. That's what we are able to establish with these policies. By the way, on this, we are very excited that Government of India, most likely in October, will ensure that non-GST sellers can also come online and sell. And we are working with them to ensure that Meesho is able to provide that platform to these sellers. So as I said, we don't do any tiering in our ecosystem. Any seller, who, irrespective of them being large, medium, small, in terms of the turnovers or the resources they have, we ensure everyone is playing on the level field in terms of their policies, in terms of the visibility they'll get, in terms of the demand that they'll cater to. Everything is equal for all the sellers. So this ensures that even the smallest of the seller or a retailer, for that matter, can come online and do good business with Meesho. And this non-GST policy will ensure that even smaller sellers who do not have GST can grow big on online marketplaces like ours.